Today we will be testing a 5-minute day trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 5-minute day trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 255 different strategies, with 80 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 144 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,003 indicators, with 422 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a 5-minute day trading strategy. So the source video says 100% accurate reversals using the secret Tradingview indicator, all time frames. And so of course we know that no indicator and no strategy is going to be 100% accurate all the time. At some point, every indicator, every strategy is going to take a loss. And so obviously we know that part of the claim is not true. I don't really think this is a secret indicator either, and so the source video isn't holding up too well so far. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and turn off these two indicators, and the first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the DEMA adjusted average true range. It's going to be this one right here. So we'll click on that one and add it to the screen, and we will jump into the settings on this one. And what we'll do is under the DEMA period, we're going to change that to 5. Under the period, we're going to change that to 10. And under the factor, we're going to change that to 3. And go ahead and click OK. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the Ichimoku oscillator. So it's going to be this one right here. Click on that one, and again we will jump into the settings, and let's go ahead and head over to the styles first. In the styles, starting with the first shape right here, we're going to turn all those off, including the plot right here. Then we're going to click on the inputs, and under the inputs, the conversion line length right here, we're going to change that to 12, and the baseline length, we're going to change that to 15. Click OK, and everything should look as I have on the screen now. So what we're looking for a long trade is we are looking for when the DEMA, this one here, switches from red to green. You can see that it switches right here. And when it makes that switch, we're then going to look down to the Ichimoku oscillator. And we want the Ichimoku oscillator to also be green. And then lastly, we want a green candle leading up to, or the one that signals the green line shift right there. And so once all those line up, that's going to be our signal to enter into a long trade. We're going to put our trade there. We're going to put our stop at the DEMA line, and we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's play this forward and see what we get. Alright, so you can see that we make a really nice jump, getting us to our take profit pretty quickly. And for a short trade, what we're looking for, again, is going to be that change in the coloration of the DEMA. And so it switches from the green to red right here on this one. We're going to look down to the Ichimoku oscillator, and it is red. And then again, we have red bars leading up to the signal bar, and the signal bar is just a little tiny green one there, showing not very much strength pushing back against this. And so once all those line up there, that's going to be our signal to enter into a short. Put our trade there, put our stop right at the DEMA EMA line, and we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's play this one forward and see what we get. And once again, we make a pretty decent push there, coming down, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 11 winning trades and 39 losing trades, putting it at a 22% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you are looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $6,600. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $15,600 for an overall loss of $9,000 altogether. So again, not 100% accurate and not a secret Tradingview indicator, and so definitely not the best strategy. Compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 48 trades altogether. We had 42 winning trades and 6 losing trades, putting it at an 86% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $25,200. On the losing side, you would have lost $5,400 for an overall gain of $19,800. So significantly better results. If you're interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. You do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable trading system. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the weekly signals. So this is using the Academy of Forex indicator on these 4 Forex pairs and this one crypto coin. This is on the 30-minute time frame. Each week we keep track of the signals or the trades that the Academy of Forex indicator has signaled. And so last week on the Forex pairs, we had 6 trades altogether. We had 2 winning trades and 1 losing trade, putting it at a 66% win rate. That would have been a gain of $600 on the week. On the crypto coin, we had 3 trades, 2 winning trades, 1 losing trade, a 66% win rate again, and a gain of $300. So for the week now, we would have been up $900 altogether, and 22-week total now, we would have been up $38,260 over 187 trades. And so really good stuff from the Academy of Forex indicator. You can see more stats on the strategy here and the growth of the account there. Alright, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to put this one on the no list and we'll move on to the next video from here.